Nice tall doors. Ew. Okay. No power? No power. Ew, it's all moldy and dusty in here. Okay, I probably shouldn't have reacted that way. Okay, there's like a light layer of mold and dust all on the cabinetry. How much?
18.
Is this open?
Yeah, 80, no, I couldn't figure it out.
Okay. It's got a nice lake view. Looks like the master is downstairs. I don't know if you can see that, but that is all superficial mold. Repaint. You have your pen, Josh?
No.
Okay. Is that a 2-car garage?
I think this is one.
Oh. 1-car garage. Hot water heaters out here. AC unit. It's also from '06. Looks like there's been some leakage. Probably gonna need replacement soon.
Gotcha. Big mirror doors down there. There must be something.
Probably from one of the closets.
I need to write down.
Half bath. It's okay, we'll remember. Stairs, carpeting on the stairs need to be replaced. Needs a good cleaning. There's dust and cobwebs everywhere. Open loft up here. Bifolds probably go here. Okay, so this is weird. Washer and dryer in here. And then you have your bathroom with the double sinks. Okay. 2 rooms here. Oh, carpet is crazy stained. Oh, that's just the closet doors. Okay.